Hello guys, Maureen from Kyiv. Now is around noon. You may probably check the news that Russia today attacked center part of Kyiv. So we decided to come here. I'm right now near Olympijska metro station and near our church of St. Nicholas. This location like 2 metro stations from Independence Square where I live. So today was very loud and like Russia sent to Kyiv like 7 or 8 rockets, I don't remember. And official reports, we intercept 5 ballistic rockets and 40 drones. Among 60 and 20 were lost on the way. So I came here just to show you the situation here on the streets. As we see, here is like no traffic. The rescue workers doing their job. Unfortunately, one man died because in the moment of the attack, it was around 7 a.m. He was outside, and 10 people up until now are injured. Maybe will be more by the end of the day. And I saw a lot of videos in news that cars were blown out after each other, so the shrapnel fell down. And I just came here to see how the situation and showing to you guys how we coping with all the stress. I came by metro, people come to their work, continue living our lives, and rescuers doing their job. Usually when there's a rocket attack and loud in Kyiv, I woke up and check the news immediately. And I decided today just set up my camera because it was very loud, and just to show you how my morning started. And actually you can see this from the video. I'm in the bed and woke up to these sounds. Oh my god. Jesus. Good morning. And you know that is a central part of Kyiv. I just check a nice view. Show you the amazing sunrise. That's my snowman and a Christmas tree. That is how I charge my car. Good morning. Amazing view. Good morning, subscribers. So behind me it's a business center. Also they located a hotel, and today a lot of people left this hotel with the suitcases. Also see the photos how people rescues their dogs and all the animals. So now the situation more or less calm, because in the morning here was everything covered in fire, and people got huge stress. So guys, I would like to thank you so much for your support, for buying me matches, for your interest in Ukraine, to support me and my mission, support my country, and checking the news about Ukraine. So thank you very much, and just let's check around. Yeah. This is, I remember the place. There was a very nice restaurant. I used to drink their coffee, and people just cleaning the debris. It was such a like nice place. Also opposite this business center and hotel, park in. This is amazing church, St. Nicholas, and we also used to have the photo shoot. So that is what's happening today on Friday morning. Air raid siren started, so I think it's time to go to underground because who knows what can happen later. Guys, hello. I almost made to the underground. Why it could be like dangerous, especially right now, to stay there? Because you know, when Russia try to target some place and we intercept it, it's high chance they're going to target again, like the same day or the next day. So I not recommend to stay in this area because, like, who knows, center of Kyiv, and you see what's happened. Here's children. I don't know from where they're going, but they're going to the shelter because there's a air raid siren right now. That is childhood of our Ukrainian kids. As well, we going now to metro, but we are going home. We are going home. So, and I have not finished my reports. I go back now to my place and continue. I'll show you how underground gets busy during air raid sirens. Oh my God. It's unbelievable. To be honest, I never used the shelter. You know. By the way, what is great, when it's air raid siren, you don't pay for underground. So on the way back home, I have a free ride. We and my friend are checking the news. What is going on? It's a air raid siren in all around Ukraine. The reason is a possibility of ballistic missiles. Yeah, we have a chair to sit and wait, and it's my time to go home.
Обережно, двері зачиняються. The doors are closing. Наступна станція – площа українських героїв. Будь ласка, завчасно готуйтеся до виходу. The next station is площа українських героїв. Наступна станція – Майдан Незалежності. Будь ласка, завчасно готуйтеся до виходу. The next station is Майдан Незалежності.
Виходите?
Станція Майдан Незалежності. Перехід на станцію Хрещатик. Будь ласка, не залишайте своїх речей. This station is Майдан Незалежності. Change here for Хрещатик.
So when is air raid siren in Kyiv, underground operates only in the tunnel under the ground. The station is located outside, stop working. Also, when the metro crossing the bridge, we have, I guess, two lines. So like now left bank working separately and right bank working separately. And if you're stuck on the way, you're trying to order Uber, and the price for taxis dramatically increases, and you just stuck until the air raid siren is clear. So it could be 1 hour, could be 15 minutes, could be 2 hours, could be 5 hours, you never know. So I'm in the Maidan Nezalezhnosti. Came and opened the news that it's written that there is Russia launched something from Kapustin Yar. Kapustin Yar is an airfield where located like Oreshnik and all long-range ballistic missiles, something like this. And for our radars, it's very difficult to check if they shot something or not. So they written like, we will know in 10 minutes if there is really was a rocket launcher or not. So I keep following the news, and I hope it was fake, and soon we will have no air raid siren. Air raid siren will be clear. I just opened the news, check that if nothing going to happen for nearest 10-15 minutes, because this kind of rockets is flying very fast. You're like, then nothing going to happen. So now it's still air raid siren in Kyiv, but I guess soon as air raid siren will be clear. Now it's 12:37. Yeah, and a lot of people just continue going whenever they plan to go. Misha and me as well. By the way, I know it's not the best moment to speak about this, but you know, in Ukraine, feminine and like flowers, it's like everywhere. It's like a culture to give the flowers to girls for the date and so on. Just have a look. It's just underground in Kyiv, in Maidan Nezalezhnosti. I will just pass by. Have a look. This is flower selling in Kyiv. Дякую. Just a regular metro station in Kyiv. So we are back to Independence Square, Maidan Nezalezhnosti. That is the what you see today in my video from my window, my amazing view. So also like some numbers about the attack. As a result, they hit the heating mine, and up until now, the 630 residence building without heating and water in the Holosivsky district, 16 medical institutions, 17 schools, and 13 kindergarten without heat. And crews have already begun work. So that is what I planned to say on my previous spot, but I decided just to went out from this area. Also, I remember in March 2022, when it was when there was a lot of explosions in Kyiv, and we with media used to go immediately thereafter, and then started another air raid siren. And I remember one day when Russia attacked this place, I came there, and next day they attacked there again, and journalists died there. One even was from Russia, something like this, I don't remember. You know, the best is don't stay nearest time near the place what was attacked. So that is like, how do I feel here? I like feel kind of okay, but okay, you never know when they going to target and attack soon. So there is still air raid siren in Kyiv. I'm on my way home, and also today Russia attacked the Boryspil city, the huge warehouse, and you can see in the internet today a lot of photos from this place where I just been. How people rescue dogs, people evacuating from the hotel, cars burning fire, and there's like no traffic there. All these photos could be sensitive content for YouTube, so I'm not adding it here. You can find this on my Telegram channel and in my YouTube post. So guys, actually that's it for today. I hope I wouldn't add any new information to this video later. I hope for the peaceful rest of the day and hope the air raid siren soon will be clear and everything will be okay. So thank you for watching, thank you for supporting, thank you for everything. Actually didn't plan to do the video today, but you see the situation is changing. I did video yesterday and today, so I hope I will do some more about Ukraine Christmas, why we celebrate 24th of December, not 7th of January, how we used to celebrate till 2022, doing some Christmas video and so on and so on. So I'm staying in Ukraine, don't have any plans for winter holidays and New Year, so staying here with my family, and see you very soon on my channel again. Thank you so much, and have a look. I found like nice cool statue, never show it, and yeah, actually that's it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye bye. Bye. Light romance. And just now, oh, it's strange. I just now received the message that air raid siren is clear. It was 8 minutes ago. I don't know why it's just now. I got this. So yeah, air raid siren is clear. People go back to their jobs and like this. Bye bye.